Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2005 Mazda 3, stock number 7142. It's around from the 10th 2003 to the 6th 2006. There's a L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left-hand headlight needs polish. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left-hand taillight. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door 1 dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,